I almost skipped Mastra AI completely. I looked at the docs for about 5 minutes and thought, yeah, this isn't for me. Then I actually built something with it. Different story. See, most AI frameworks look impressive until you try connecting real pieces together. That's usually where everything gets messy. So I gave Mastra a simple challenge, not a demo. A small AI workflow I'd actually want to use. An agent, a couple of tools, and a basic memory setup. Nothing huge, the setup wasn't instant. I'm not going to pretend it was. I hit a couple of moments where I had to stop and figure out how Mastra wanted things organized. At first that annoyed me. Then it started clicking. Once I understood the structure, adding new pieces felt way easier than I expected. That was probably the biggest surprise. Then I tried changing the workflow. Normally, that's where I end up breaking something. This time, it handled the changes pretty well. I actually caught myself experimenting more because I wasn't worried about rebuilding everything from scratch. Now, here's the part people don't mention. Mastra isn't the kind of framework that impresses you in the first 10 minutes. It grows on you. The more complicated your project gets, the more the organization starts to make sense. Would I recommend it to someone building their very first AI app? Honestly, probably not. There are simpler places to start. But if you've already outgrown basic AI builders and you're starting to stitch together agents, tools, and workflows, that's where Mastra starts earning its place. As for comparing it to frameworks like LangGraph or Crew AI, I don't think one wins across the board. They're solving similar problems in different ways. After a few days, I stopped asking which framework had more features. I started asking which one made me want to keep building. For me, Mastra surprised me there. So, before you choose an AI framework, don't just compare GitHub stars or feature lists. Build one real project. Because that's exactly when I realized the framework I almost ignored was the one I kept opening the next day. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.